this next chapter, y'all seen all my other chapters. This next chapter is called Revenge. This when he came back for everything. This when he came back and took the life out of his back and cut his fucking throat with it. That's what this next chapter about. Nigga, brought me on Deja, nigga. If I'm lying, I'm fucking flying. They don't never, guess what? I don't never be the double cross, but the triple. I'm gonna be right up under you. I'm gonna be right up under you with it. And as soon as you close your eye, I'm gonna cut you in your fucking throat. But that's personal, right? We just gonna know one again, man. 5 times platinum. Yeah, man. Thank you, God. Thank you, man. Praise and prayers. Thank you, Mom Dukes, man.